Good morning everyone. I am Sonia Chaudhary from Kendriya Vidyalaya 0 and today we will revise the poem Noses of class 4. So let's see the next slide. Noses. See, in this picture you can see there is a nose which are of different sizes and shape. When we are a baby, our nose is very small, but when we grow up, it becomes bigger. See, there are different kind of noses which are in different shapes and sizes. Now, in this slide, we will look upon why nose is very important for us. So, the first reason is the nose completes our face. If nose is missing in our face, it will look very empty. The space will remain empty. वो खाली हो जाएगी जगह. And secondly, it brings beauty to our face. Our face looks beautiful because of our nose. And the third point says, breathe in and out. The nose helps us to breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide. You can do an experiment like breathe in and breathe out, which shows that we use our nose to breathe oxygen. The fourth point says it helps to smell things. When our mama papa cooks good food for us, we can easily take the fragrance from our nose, which helps us to identify whether the cooked food is tasty or not. It smells very nice when we use our nose to see what mama or papa has cooked for us. When our mama cooked chicken for us, then we can easily identify with the help of our nose. Now the next point says divider between the eyes. The nose is a thing which divides our two eyes. It works as a divider. It's between our two eyes. So it works as a divider also. So this slide shows our nose is very important for us. So don't think it's a funny. It's a very, very important organ for us. It's a very important body part, not an organ. In the poem, we have read that nose as a funny part. It tucks like a handle. So it is also looks very funny on our face. So let's see why it looks very funny. There is no space under the nose. When you put your finger in the nose, then you can see there is no space. It is like a handle. We can hold our nose and it will work as a handle to shake our face, to shake our head. It is more funny if one giggles and shout. और जब कोई चिल्लाता है, when someone shouts, then it becomes more funny. It starts shaking. So it's very funny. You have already read the poem. You can once again read the poem using this slide at home along with your parents, or you can do the silent reading also. Thank you very much, students. I hope you have revised the concept of the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.